So I went ahead and glued the pieces to the box all together. I did that all off camera because I didn't think anybody wanted to watch all that. But the last thing I have to do is just make the front and then test it to make sure it sounds good. And if it does sound good, then I'll go ahead and make the other side. Where I had that gap, I just ended up loading it up with a lot of glue. Wanted to test fit the box so far. I wanted to make sure that this subwoofer wouldn't touch the back part of the hook for the child seat. From the original box, I'm gonna have to shift the woofer over probably about 1.5 inches. So I got this on, so I think I've decided I'm just gonna use a handsaw to cut this part out over here. One thing I almost forgot was how I was gonna get the wires into it. I'm actually gonna put some binding posts back here. I have it marked where it's not gonna catch on anything when I'm putting the box in and out, but I think probably about back here is where I'm gonna put those. Made the hole a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be, so I'll try to do better with the next one. I'm gonna make these holes bigger so I can put some threaded inserts in them. It's 1 down, 7 to go. and test it out using the amp and my wife's Accord. I'm all set up here right now. Got the woofer in. Have it hooked up to the amp here. It's a 1,000 watt amp. This is only a 600 watt subwoofer, so I'm not going to turn it all the way up. But I just want to make sure it sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound too bad. Slid back over here when I was testing it out. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the other box.